This is a quick update on the situation at 5 p.m. on the 18th of September. What's happened is the first corps is now well across Chickamauga Creek, and they're now on their way to this position here, which is the final stop point for their orders. So the first corps is going to concentrate around that. The reserve corps is then going to form up in support of them in accordance to their orders. Forest cavalry will screen this force on its flank according to their orders. Buckner's units will just swing round, so they form up the line with the first. So you really got the entire Confederate right wing in a position where they can do a hell of a lot of damage to the Union if the Union don't start getting their act together. Now what the Union have done is we've got part of their reserve corps arriving in this direction. It's also more reserve corps units are arriving there. Their orders are really weird. They've just been told to advance into this area and then they'll be told to pull back. But what has happened is we've got the 14th Division starting to arrive. Now that unit has got orders to approach and defend Glass Mill, which is pointless because the 21st Division is already doing this. So the Union are going to have to change the orders here. And I suspect if we let I would bring the whole I've either got the choice of bringing the whole 14th Division from up there all the way to defending this bridge here, or I could pick up those 21st Division units and move them over to this point, supported by Wilder and stuff like that. So I've got to make up my idea. I've got to think about getting some orders in, because Rosecrans and the Army of Cumberland HQ is actually on the board here, so they can issue new orders, whereas the Confederates at this particular moment are still paralysed. They can only use their orders up to a certain point, because there's no sign of Bragg yet, who's their army commander. It's not looking good for the Union. They really got to get their act together here. I just can't make up my mind what to do with the 14th Division though. I'm umming and ahhing.